Good morning.
Morning.
Welcome back to the channel. So this is our first vlog back since we did our winter tour of Scotland.
So if you haven't seen it, the finale was out last weekend. Go back, check them out.
Really funny, met some really good people and also some good friends.
Yeah.
Definitely worth a watch. But today's a new day and we are now at...
We're in Wales for a start.
We are in Wales, which is quite unusual for us. I think we did so much touring in Wales in our early days that we haven't actually done much this in the last year, have we?
No.
But we are this weekend. So we are at Bargoed Farm camping site, and this site's a little bit different.
I'm so excited. Literally been nagging about coming here for a good couple of months, I'd say, isn't it?
Don't I know it? So we'll show you why this site's a little bit different. So we're on our pitch, and the reason this site is so different is because it comes with a hot tub. So there's about, I think there's about 20 pitches here which have a hot tub on them.
Yeah.
Now we got here late last night, but I mean it was like 7 o'clock, it was pitch black.
Yeah. So he's totally messed up the parking.
Yeah, the parking's all over the place.
Because when you come out the door, you're frantically running with your beavers and your towel to the hot tub. So I think I might get you to turn it around after and put the van like this way so I can hop out the door and go straight in.
I suppose that'd make sense.
But to be fair, it was dark when we came.
That's
we
it.
were so excited.
We couldn't see anything. I mean, it's a good sized pitch. But let's have a look at this hot tub then. So as you can see, it's enclosed. You've got a nice little sort of shelved bar area here. There is a light in here. So in the night time, even though it was dark last night, we were able to see quite easily what we were doing. We did have a little dip in here last night with the kids because they were super excited.
I don't know, it weren't just the kids, was it?
And there's your hot tub. Oh, that's steamy.
Yeah, put the lid down, love, save that heat. We're going straight back in there in a bit. Oh wow, that's better, isn't it?
Guys, I'm going to float!
So yes, you've got the Moody Car and you've got the Moody Calf. So there's a restaurant and bar here, there's a little farm shop, and then in the other half there's a kids play area. I think they do weddings and that here as well.
Do they?
Yeah. So we'll show you around.
Yeah.
It's quite a popular site at the moment, isn't it?
To be fair as well, we were there was a cancellation or something. I don't know. I went onto the website. They had hot tubs with lake views as well.
It's in West Wales. Aberaeron, is it?
Yep.
Aberaeron.
Lovely area. Lovely
Yes.
part of Wales.
So we're going to go get the kids and we're going to go have some food down at the Moody Cow, so let's go.
So we're here. Bargoed Farm with the Moody Cow shop, farm and cafe. It's also got a fishing lake here. That's the entrance. It's just off the main road. So it's tree-lined entrance. And then it's signposted then. We've got the Moody Calf and the Moody Cow. So when you come in, you head for the Moody Cow, so you follow this road around and then you pull up then on the left for reception. Oh, they got a cockerel! Wakey, wakey. Yeah. There you go.
Sounds like Mum in the morning when she wants us to get up for school.
Very nice.
True.
So when you arrive, you book in here, so you stop, and then you go over there for your reception.
The Moody Cow. You've just spied the takeaway in Sunday lunch.
Yeah, well.
Come on then.
That was really nice, that was.
What did you have, love?
I had the heifer meal.
Breakfast?
Yeah. I nicked some mushrooms off your big bull dish, but the little sausages, I say little sausages because they were only like that big, but they were real nice, weren't they?
Proper meaty sausages,
Yeah,
weren't they?
delicious.
The Moody Car. So this is where the children's play area is. So should we go into the children's play area? Do you guys want to go play? So this is in the Moody Car.
Look at me!
We've got a little coffee bar area where you can get some drinks and snacks. And then you've got the Moody chocolate where the kids can go in and they make chocolate. That's really cool.
So they've got an under 5 section and an over 5s. So they're currently running around like hooligans. They should be very tired after this.
So around the back of the Moody Calf is the Theescobar, which is the event and wedding venue. So I've just been speaking to the owner, Chris, and she's given us a bit of history about this place. So this has just been built. I think she said they've only held 2 events here so far. But this is brand new. Yeah.
It's huge.
Yeah, so you got all this graffiti. This was done by Lloyd the Graffiti, who's a local artist. And this is spread all around the barn, which is what Theescobar is in Welsh. So you got all the local beaches here.
Oh, look,
Munt.
it's Munt. We've been there.
Yeah, so that's 20 miles away. But yeah, all around you've got all these beaches and how far away they are.
That's cool.
Look at that bar. So here they do weddings, any kind of event really. They said they can do conferences here. They're also gonna be, I know later in the year she mentioned that they're gonna be holding like evening entertainment here on the weekends. So at the end up there, which I'll show you in a second, where you've got that fire pit, they're going to have a roll-down projector screen that comes down. They're going to actually be showing the Six Nations on that this February.
Oh, class.
But then, say, towards the summer, she said they're going to be doing evening entertainment, so they're going to have singers and whatnot come here and have evening entertainment as well. So I think that's going to be absolutely stunning.
The amount of space they have literally got in here is incredible. You know, you can come in here and have an absolutely brilliant time, couldn't you?
Yeah, it's beautiful. And then you've got, look at all these chandeliers made out of farm gates and old wheels. That is class. Let's go look at this fire pit. You've got a few more of the local beaches. You've got Aberporth, 14 miles away. Poppet Sands, 23 miles away.
Newquay.
Yeah, Newquay, which is a very popular beach in West Wales. That's only 4 miles away from here. And you've also got Aberaeron front as well, which is only 3 miles away. And then just below, you've actually got a map, so you can see where the Moody Car is in relation to all these beaches. Now we've been to quite a few of these beaches, haven't we? Munt is, yeah, Munt is absolutely stunning. You get to see dolphins there. Summertime where they're travelling up and down the coast, so you'll see them travelling down in the morning and then back up late afternoon. Yeah, that's brilliant. But even like the bar, you know, just using old farm pieces as decor, it's class, isn't it? As you were saying how like, some of this corrugated sheeting they've used as the decoration, some of that has actually come down from one of her friend's old barn. And then the new corrugated sheet is from a local supplier. She said all the benches in here were made here. So they've tried to keep everything as local, you know, local for materials, local for work, for the labour side of it. But yeah, this is the new event and wedding venue. So this is the outside of the events venue. Massive decked area. They're doing some form of lighting now along here, and they're also considering some sort of shade, like maybe the sails or something, but nothing's confirmed there. Just over here where you can see the workers, there's like a circular base coming along. That's gonna be a fire pit for the events as well, so there's gonna be a nice fire pit right in the middle of that. So there's the pitches. These are the lake view pitches with the hot tubs. You can see they've cut the hole out of the back as well, so that they've got a view of this lovely lake. This lake curls all around up there as well. They've built like this decked pontoon area. This is beautiful. So that's the back of the Moody Car, and they plan on doing a second restaurant that's going to be called the Posh Cow, which is going to be a wine, cocktails and tapas restaurant. So as you can appreciate, there's still building work going on at the moment. You know, a lot of this is literally in the middle of being built right now, but in the summer this is going to be absolutely stunning. You know, to be able to, you've got the bar just by there, there's loads of space for people to socialise or have some quiet time, come for a cheeky walk along this pontoon on a summer's evening and check out the lake. It is beautiful.
So I'm just walking down to have a look at these lake view hot tubs as everyone's gone, and there's quite a few of them. These are the ones I was trying to get hold of, but I wasn't quick enough. Okay, so this is a square one, and to be fair, when you're inside it, you have got a really good view of that lake. That is lovely. There we go. So this is what you'll see. Right, so that's that one. I might have a nosy at the other one. Hello, kitty kitty. Come on in. Keep trying to get the man but to get us a motorhome kitty. He's not having any of it. Okay, so these are all lake views by here on the left. So actually there's a lot more of them than I first thought, because the lake comes up quite far. Just here then in the centre you've got all the hard standing pitches. What's really cool is when you come in, they get the buggy out and they show you to your pitch. So as you can see, it just does one big circle, so you've got the shower blocks just up ahead there. Our Sheila's over there. Oh, there you go, that's the dog walk down there. Coastal Path Dog Walk, it says. We're not actually that far from the beach here. I like this. So this is the shower and toilets, and you've got bulls and you've got heifers. Class. Let's see what's here. Oh, this is your wash-in facilities and doggy wash. Shower facilities. We've got disabled and showers and toilets. I'll have to get the code, just can't remember it. Oh no, it is open. Okay. Wow, there's a lot of space in here. Okay, so all the toilets, all the showers. I like they've got a baby change facility there. Hairdryer, 2 hairdryers and plenty of sinks. Lovely and clean. Really, really nice. Some hand dryers, and that's that. So I didn't need the code, but normally you do need to put one in. Could be because it's just been cleaned. Here's all the recycling point. So the site's getting really full now.
It's getting busier for sure.
And all you can hear is hot tubs going off everywhere.
We're just walking down to have a cheeky drink at the bar and you can hear every single hot tub. Love it.
Just found it really amusing, didn't we?
We're only jealous. We're not back in it.
We're going to go back in it now. I thought, come down to the bar while it's quiet before all the everyone else comes down, basically, because we've got the children. We like to get in, get out, and yeah, we'll probably go back in it later on. My hair's doing my head in. Sorry, it keeps flicking up everywhere. But it is bitter. I'm absolutely freezing. It's got cold, hasn't it, love?
It's got really cold, yeah.
So yeah, swift pint and head back, I think, get some tea on the go and a hot tub, and
sounds good to me.
That's the plan.
So back in the Moody Cow for a drink.
See you in the next.
Cheers.